Watch me in this video attempt to trade an old PSP to a Mini Cooper. I'm going to do this by trading, selling and refurbishing parts and unused tools.
So we'll start with the outside edge again and just put light dusting. Going round. Try and get that again. So I'm going to go on the outside. Give it a second. Finish off on vinegar. So you want light coats just to build up slowly. Freshly painted wheels, 12-inch mini wheels, fresh coat of silver paint. See, we've got our towing frame, light board. Had this on Facebook Marketplace for a week. Got a couple of messes, 3 messes after it. Just want to use the cash to reinvest. Got the frame for a mini project to drag it back from Burnley, but we went to look at the car and it wasn't in any fit state to fetch back on this frame on the road. So I bought the red and white Mini, which is on my other videos, which was delivered to us garage, so this was no longer needed. So it's sat in storage for a while, so might as well free up a bit of cash, pass it on to somebody that will find some use for it. So let's see if this guy turns up with some cash for the pot. Quick update on the airframe sale. We've just got the bank transfer and I've just been cash machine, got it in cash. Rainy day in Lancashire today, so there's not much car work going on outside. What we have got is an eBay buyer picking up a spare part, a yellow door that we sold. We didn't make a lot of cash on it, but it's out of our way anyway. Cash goes in the bag. New projects. So we just had our buyer's collection. Nice lad called Gavin got a yellow door for the Mini. He had a Mini Cabriolet. He's going to go and put it on his car now when the weather eventually stops. So just spotted a Facebook one piece of Mini wheels for a bargain price. We're going to have a look up and see if we can pick them up. Use some of the cash from the airframe that we sold yesterday. Just back from our Facebook Marketplace purchase in Bacup. We have got 2 sets Rover Mini lights and we paid £10 per wheel, £80. For refurbishment, hopefully we're going to double us money easily with these. So we're going to get these freshly refurbed wheels. I'm going to get them on the Project Mini. We've got a prospective buyer for the wheels, just coming to do a viewing now, so hopefully they'll take the wheels, get some cash in the pot.